ngifuna ufocus kuvini umbheke the way aphasa ngakhona. It shows ukukhathala. It shows ukuthi i-team yaseMorocco showed no respect for Brazil at all. They understand Brazil ukuthi no, Brazil is a stronger team than us, but they never made sure ukuthi Brazil idlala amakhanda wabo. Iyenze sure ukuthi they fight Brazil to the end. They made sure ukuthi they tire Brazil out as much as possible. They never allowed Brazil ukuthi idlala amakhanda wabo. Yebo, I understand ukuthi no, Brazil is stronger than us. We respect Brazil. Even if you come to me and say ukuthi yeah, I know, but the Moroccan players, most of them played outside Europe. It doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter. The fact is, Morocco is an African team. They play AFCON. It means they're an African team. The fact that they held Brazil to this draw, it means a lot. It means a lot. And the fact that they were pushing for a win, it means way more than everything. The much that they trust themselves, they know very well what they're good. I mean, give Morocco their flowers. Give Morocco their flowers. They are very good. Give Morocco their flowers. They are good.